Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to move the page file to another drive in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Start by opening the System Properties window. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. When the System Properties window appears, click the Advanced tab at the top. Then click the Settings button under the Performance section under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and click the Change button under Virtual Memory. When the Virtual Memory window opens, uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, since Windows needs you to take manual control before you can move it. Now remove the page file from the current drive. Select your C drive in the list, choose No Paging File, and click Set. A warning may appear about disabling the paging file. Just click Yes to confirm. Next, select the drive where you want to move the page file, such as D or E. Choose System Manage Size to let Windows handle it automatically, or pick Custom Size and enter your preferred initial and maximum values in megabytes. Click Set to apply the change, then click OK on every open window to close them. Finally, restart your computer so the changes take effect. After rebooting, you can confirm the page file moved correctly by going back into the Virtual Memory window, where the new drive will now show the assigned size and the C drive will show none. Your page file is now on a different drive. Leave a comment below telling me which drive you moved your page file to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.